We are with another great nature walk vlog of today with yours truly, a magical adventurer to a host, Reese. So what are we going to see today? Well, I'll tell you. Just out in the back. So come follow me. And here I appear over here. Reese here, I'm here to show you some unique things just from around here. So if I do, let's get a like thumbs up for me, and let's go. First, look straight forward. What have we here? A Celtic, flower, knot seen here, as you can see, just right there. As you can make out. A Celtic flower knot seen just right here. Looks pretty interesting. Anyways, now since we've seen that, let's go in this direction. Next. I'll see you just over there. Oh, take a look just around here. What do we have over here? Let's go find out. We got certain things over here. These brick-like things. Just wooden stuff there. Wooden old table. Bins. And of course we got these ladders. This right one over here. We'll walk down over here and we'll check out over here. This one here in this tub of something is, you can see here, that has leaves into that. We'll walk down a little bit more. We'll take a look in between here. You'll see some other things there. We got a ladder right there. And do not know what this is. It's like a mass of some kind. And I think those are either metal sheets right there. Step over here. You can see we got some lumber and some kind of a tarp of some kind right there. And here is where we were from before, just over there. And now we're over here, and you get to see all this. Very interesting stuff back here, as you can make out. And you'll get a little bit more once we head into the parkway. There's something in the park that I've already seen that I want you to take a good look at. So come follow me. I'll show you that right now. We'll take this way. And heading up over here. Right to where we see the green fence hang on my right. We'll just make our way up over here. And when we get into the woods there, we're going to have to take a different direction to where you'll see exactly what I found up there that looks pretty pretty unique that I want to show you. Thinking for our combo adventure, we'll probably do E.T. There's spots here that we'll have to look and see what is over here in regards to the film. I got to do my research and see what's over here that we have seen spot lookalikes for it. We'll go through just up over here too. Okay, so what is it? Well, we gotta get into the woods first on a different side section to go and see it. But I have to go through here first. And right into the woods from here, just up from about there. So what is it exactly? It's almost like a statue. A statue of rocks into a shape of something. When we get there, I'll show you exactly what it is. We'll have to go in this direction heading straight. What is this I see on the way there? What is this? This was not here before. Pile of lumber and sticks. See, just right there. We'll go right through. These are here. And hang straight up there. It will be on the right side. You see? Wood fence there. We got one just right about here too. It's not in this direction. It's heading up into this general direction up here that I'm just pointing at. We have to go into this pathway here. It's not too far from here. It's a pretty interesting statue. Or exactly, it'll be on this side, like I said. Okay. It's not too far. I believe it's just probably up from over here. Let's keep our eyes peeled. You see a line of rocks from here? I think it was either probably over here somewhere or up here. Let's see something looking. And looking here, you see I found an owl sticker right there. As you can see right there. It's golden pink. Look up. You see there's some pine cones. And over there is what I want you to take a look at. Just right there. So we saw that stump there that had that owl sticker right there that I just zoomed into. And then it's just right here. We'll take a good closer look up at it. Right here. This is the rock-like statue can see the body part right there that looks like a chest. That's out of rock. And then there, and you can see the top rock looks like a head. And it's just where this pile of rock is here. We can see all the sticks on the side of it right there. It's just a little rock statue. It's not like as big, but you can kind of like make it out right there. You see, we got some sticks kind of right into there. So a little rock-like statue, seen just right here. Whoever made that is very artistic. Seeing that right there, right here in the woods. And also, while we came over here, I want to show you an area spot that we have not yet gone before or even seen. That will be our next tour-like adventure. Thinking that'll be at one for a Tuesday or a Wednesday. What area spot? I'll show you. It's just like right up over out of the woods area. I'll show you that spot fairly quickly from here. But again, you can see is this rock-like statue. It's a small one, like I said. This just right there. You can see the head, the chest, and the body there, and the sitting on a pile of rocks there, and the twigs. It looks very well made. Anyways, let's move on, and I'll show you that spot that we're going to be adventuring to for the upcoming adventure. I have to go in this direction. Just going up over there. Now I'll show you exactly that spot. We won't go like fully up from there. I had to be with my friend and heading up over there. But you can take a look on where exactly the spot that we will be adventuring to, and taking a good look up over there as well too. And in the well, we as you can see, is this somewhat scary looking branch-like tree where this rock is over here. Just one up from over there. I'll pan and flip the lens around so I can take a good look, closer look up at it. Right here. Does look kind of scary. Just by the looks of it. I'll back up so I can get the full look at what you'll see. Just right there, the scary looking branch like tree right there, and the rock down below seen just right there. I'll take a picture of it as well too. Okay, let's keep on walking. Now I'll show you that spot on we're gonna go adventuring to. If you take a look, you can see the sun right there. Almost looks like a gem right there. It's showing right through the trees. Okay, we're going to go and go right through over there. The sun looks pretty golden. Just right through over here. Shining through these trees here and shining upon the ground over here. If you take a look at it more, it looks very, very magical. Look at that sun. Right there, that's shining through the trees. To get the ground view. To get that sun with it too. Very enchanted-like and very magical-like. As you can see right there. Get some ground level shots before we make our way there. We'll have to go in this direction though, and then heading in this direction. All right there, you can see we got a very mossy looking root right there, and stump. A different one this time. The sun is kind of like just shining upon it. Let me get my shadow away. It looks kind of weird. Right there. Sun now. What's the sun doing? Shining really greatly. This where that mountain is right there. You see the sun is just right there. Right there. I'll zoom so you can see the sun where the mountain is. Sunshine Mountain. And back down to here. Okay, let's go up in that direction. Okay. Let's walk out here. And let's look into that general direction. And I'll show you where exactly that spot is a little bit. Well, that's how they take this pathway. I found another pathway from over there. We have some pathways over here, but there's a pathway over here. This is the one that we'll have to go walking up right over here. So here's a little pathway that we haven't not seen before, but now we've just seen it. And this too takes us to some more mossy-like stumps. Seen there? And the one over there with these leaves. Seen just right there. We'll have to walk up in this direction. Past this car. Kind of that spot that we are gonna be adventuring to maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. I'll speak to my friend and find out exactly what we're going to that. Maybe Tuesday. I don't know. But this much I know. I'll show you the spot that looks pretty interesting. Okay. Yeah, it's not that one. It's more further up. But not like too far up though. Looks straightforward from up there. And I'll show you exactly roughly where we'll probably be heading up. We'll just walk up on this side. not that far. Believe it's not over here. It's a little, it's past this. Just going up on the hang on my, on the right of me. And then from there, after we see this, we will also go see some other random finds as well too. Speaking of finds, what the heck is this? I think this here is a ladder. Right there. I think over here is a ladder. See here on the ground. Seems just right here. So you can kind of see what appears to be is a ladder formation. Just right there. So that's one random find that we have found already. Just on the walk up. We won't walk up all the way, but I will show you the kind of the spot. I believe this right here is, yeah, we didn't go up over in this direction. It was right here. Where? You see this. It was, believe it was just right there. That's where the spot was. Walking up. We'll walk up a little bit more. And then we're gonna have to make our way back after this. Either, I'm thinking that this was the spot that we took. We walked there already to find out this mysterious like spot that has some other random finds. But we'll take a look at that when the time comes. We'll check up over here too. What is this? Oh, we can see is another water like a channel like thing there. You can see the tube right there, the metal tube, the water hanging down here. I'll zoom in. So we just got this and walking. It's a little bit more further. We'll keep walking up a little bit. So we saw this. Now we're going to walk away from over here up into that direction next. I believe that that could be the spot right there. We'll walk up a little bit, but we won't like go further up. So I think that was it right there. I believe that was it. That right spot. I know. We'll go up a little further. We won't go up the high pass up there, because it's not up there. It was fairly close to where exactly I kind of pointed it out as well too. So it's not up there. We won't go up there. We'll probably like just head up into this direction a bit. believe that this could be it from over here. We'll go and take a quick look and see exactly. Oh, yeah. Nope, I was wrong. It wasn't down there. It was up here. In this area. Up over here is where we went up from before to take a look. So as it is, we're not gonna go up over there until it's time for the tour adventure of it. So please stay tuned for that. This is something that we've never been to, so this will be all new for a tour adventure around this area. We're gonna mosey on back now, and I'll say some more around finds or whatever catches my eyesight. Okay, so here we get the places on the left of me here, and I got a golf course, which is on the hang on my right, which we'll see right there. This is the golf course. There's places there, and there's places like here, seen here. It's pretty interesting as well too. We'll just kind of like walk down into like over here a bit, and we'll take this way. We'll take this pathway here, and then heading in this direction and heading out. Okay, I'll also keep you posted on what's kind of happening a bit now. A bit. What is that to? It is to on some, because we're getting close to like not this summer and spring, but we're going to is go to do some park look backs. Not all of them. Some of them that need a little bit more looking at as well too. And also certain beaches as well too. I'll also be making a playlist on the ones I have already, so you can see all the beaches and the parks that we've been to, and like I'll compile them up into a playlist, so you can see all of that as well too. I'll even also put some of my summer vids into playlists as well too, and yeah, so I'm gonna be writing that down in my notebook as well too. So stay tuned for our tour like adventure for either this Tuesday or Wednesday, whatever comes first. That we'll actually do that too. Let's get this car in. Cinematic view on the car running past me. We'll get another car coming through. The cinematic turn for the car. I just had to do that. It's pretty interesting to get that in there. We'll get back into the woods, and then we'll take a different direction, and then we'll see some round finds that we'll see there that look pretty either eye-catching, interesting, or unique. Speaking of unique, hope you enjoyed that unique park that I've recently done, because that park is on my channel as well too. What is this? I got talking. What is that on that wooden pole? Let's take a look at that quickly, because then we're gonna head back into the woods. What is this? Made out of charcoal or something. Can't figure out. I think that's the letter H. Do not know what that is there. These I can't quite make out. Whatever it is, it definitely was pretty eye-catching. Since it's around vines, we found something that looked a little bit more, I don't know what to call this. Witchy, or something close to it. Seen here. Anyways, let's keep on moving. We'll head into the woods in this direction next. Back into here. We get right into the woods. So we're pretty close to the woods. I didn't go too far for this. We'll now is make our way up in this general direction, heading straightly from here. And also have done a tour, look back adventure already at Davies Park, but a different different kind of look to it. Also, what we're going to do is a look back at the Bonington Park. As a look back, we've not done a look back at that, so it's time to get a look back tour adventure going on for the Bonington area, the park of it. So please stay tuned for that, because that will be happening fairly quickly too. I'll put that in my notebooks as well too, with the playlists that I will be making up. Anyways, let's get out of the woods, and I'll see you to our next spot. Hope you're enjoying the nature walk vlog so far. And besides, there's some info that I just needed to share. Oh, and I got one thing else I wanted to say too, on what I'm doing right now, is just finishing up with the stuff for the springtime vids. I found a few things to go with things. I did a little bit of shopping for a little bit on the stuff that we need for this as well too. Tomorrow I got 2 more things to get for this. I got 1 more thing to get for this, and 1 thing to stock up upon. And then once that's done, I'll be making that and getting it done so we can get right on to it as well too. All I wanted to say is that we might be throwing in an 8th installment in there too. So from 7, we'll probably make that an 8. All depends on how many tricks we're going to get into. This much I'm going to say is that we got quite a few tricks and magic in the lineup already. Just wanted to let you know too, to keep you very well posted and informed as well too. And also going to finish up all the tricks and magic quickly, get on to it, and then pretty soon I'll be filming the first installment, and we'll keep you informed on when I will upload it upon here as well too. Instead of going over there, let's work our way out from over here instead. That way you get to see this instead of that one there. Okay, so why did I choose to do the film location lookalikes for E.T.? Well, here's something. It's sci-fi, adventure, and magic. All three are within that. So we're going to be exploring that when we do the scene lookalikes. I'll have to do some research upon that and find out exactly the right spots over here in Austin, BC. For the scene lookalikes from the film E.T. the Extraterrestrial. Because we do have them over here as well too. Go ahead into this direction. From here. And walking down over here. Past all this. And we'll also do some witch-like scene lookalikes when the time comes. What are they? The Blair Witch ones. We got spots over here for 1, 2, and 3. I believe there is. For those, we got spots here. We'll probably do them soon as well too. Why? Because when it gets closer to the time where things get cold, we don't want to do that around then, so it'll be probably a little bit sooner. So either it's E.T. or those. But whatever it is, we will do it. I'm thinking we'll do E.T. first and get the over with, and then get those ones in. Because we do have spots that look similar to those witch-like films. The Blair Witch-like films. Believe there's only like either 2 or 3 and spots over here. Besides some of the magical ones and the adventure ones that we also get into. I'm thinking about doing one from the Pirates of the Caribbean because we do have some of those spots, and it will allow me to use the video that I've already done. Actually, 2 of them. One from Vancouver, and 2, the General Park one in Trail. But first things first, I gotta take a look and see which one that we're gonna actually be doing. I was thinking E.T., but that might change, so that way it'll get done. We might go throughout and get those ones as well too. Anyways, let's get out of here, and I will show you some other spots as well too. A bit. As well too. Okay, let's actually walk maybe past the over here. We'll just walk from over here to where we need to go. As well too. Sack-like things with some nice vines that we could take a look at from over here. Wow. Let's take a look at what we have over here, shall we? Just before we head off to the next spot. What are we here? Tubing of some kind. Shack of some sort right there, seen here. Do not know what that is. That could be burlap. Or a rug. Rug or burlap. There. And then over here, we get green hose and some lumber and vents of some kind here. And down here you see is this pole here that's kind of sitting over here in a dig out of some kind seen here. It still even has the cement onto it. Seen here. As you can make out there. So some around finds a bit from over here. We can't go inside here. We can't go inside here, but we can take a look around. We'll also take a look with that glass bus stop is seen here. Just be behind of it. So here's the glass bus stop. Let's go in and behind of it. So we're gonna take a look back here. Don't see anything over here. Over here. But we could go right over there and take a look at that. We'll go into this direction. We gotta go over here though. We'll walk down over here. And we'll just walk on up over here. What is that? Looks kind of weird. Writing and a star seen here. As you can make out. So, before we head up over there, you see this. Whatever it is, looks kind of interesting. And then we get a star right there. How interesting. Okay, let's make it with from here. Going straight up from here. Let's go over here. Got a chair. There's a chair there. Do not know what these are. Oh, that's like a bird. It's like a ceramic, like, bird, like, candle holder. Yeah, look. There's a candle in this. It is chipped. But there's a candle right there. So it's a ceramic bird candle holder seen here. On its side is a jar lid. Which you'll see just right there that I'm just pointing at there. Looks pretty interesting seeing something like this. Seeing here. It almost looks like it came from the that place we've seen some other magical things. Just right there. Okay, let's make our way down over here. And so what else we can find? we'll walk down over here, this pathway. Nice rock, like open from here to hang up my left of me, and to hang up my right of me. Walk on down here to this pathway. We'll check down from over here. See all these rocks there. I'll check out that too. See here. We'll take a look down from over here on the hangout my left of me, and then we'll head into over there where the fence is. Then we get this. Stuff there. All that stuff right there. Seems to here. Take a look. Back at it. Here. Whoa. So you get some more finds over here. Look at all that. Then we get this over here. All this stuff. Wow. That's cool, all the finds over here. And then we get this. Wow. Bonfire. Oh, there's something right there. Vlogs. Hope we can make it out. So over here. Gonna make our way out now. We'll make our way out. Go through here. So lots of random finds back there. Wow. I'll make our way out. From over here. We'll get back to the pathway here. On here we got some shoes. Do not know what kind of shoes, but it's just resting here on top this rock. See in there. And on the other rock, yeah, there's a pair of shorts. Yeah, I think these are shorts in here. Just right there. Now we're gonna make our way up from over there, and then we'll head into there. So yeah, shorts and shoes of some kind. Now we'll make our way back to the area spot. So we just seen that as a quick little look back. We saw those big rocks there. We saw two things upon those rocks. That's all too. How interesting. We'll go through here. We're walking into maybe just up over there. Over here we got a wooden ladder. Found just right there. As you can see right there, a wooden ladder here. That's pretty much it over here. That's the only thing that I found so far is that wooden ladder right there. And then we see that there's a hole, a dig out where the tree is right there. As you can see right there. And there's a hole, dig out right inside there. As you can see. So we saw only one find, and that was the wooden like fence. That's just right over here, as you can see. So in this video, we saw some random finds, as well as some nature finds, and other as well too. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. We're going to make our way back out of here. And that'd be it for this video. Got a bike thing here, as you can see. Just right from over here. We'll go check up over here where those trees are. Over here. We got some white rocks, or boulder there. Never seen these white boulders before. It looks pretty interesting seeing something that looks just like this seen here. So pretty interesting seeing these like white rocks over here among of the other rock like boulders that we've seen from before. This is completely interesting though. This on the white color of these rocks seen here. Wow, definitely something. So that's pretty much it for this video. We're going to mosey on back, and we'll bring this to a wrap and close. So let's look for where it came in as it is in heading out. We'll go up in this general direction and finding where we came down from. Hey, over there, I saw something. Where this right there. Bag. Do not know what's in that bag. So it gives me the creeps a bit though. Right there. So I just found a bag and heading out. I keep the bag. I'll kick it again. It could be just trash. Well, hopefully that's what it is. I have no clue. What is this? It looks like clothes. It's a clothes bag. Look. Clothes? Into that bag, see in there. Right there, so I found a clothes bag. That's what it is. I thought it was something kind of eerie and creepy, but no, it's a clothes bag. And other things inside here too. So around finds inside a bag. Here I'm using a twig just to take a look into here. We won't go through it. We can see that there's clothes and other things inside here. Huh. How interesting. Let's put that just right there. So yeah, around finds inside this bag here too. Now, let's head on out of here. This one caught my eyes. I didn't even see this here just before heading out. Now, let's make our way back. We're going to go up this pathway and hang straight up. Right here. Actually, peace. Have my blessings. Namaste. I'll see you back for more cool video content. Adventures and magic trick videos. Let's end off viewing a nice scenery from here to bring us to go to a wrap and close. Again, thanks for coming along and adventure with me for this one. And still more adventures to come and more magic. So please stay tuned for that because we're going to be changing up pretty soon from summer to the springtime ones. Now let's find a mountain and bring us to go to a wrap and close, viewing the ember like sun.